Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Got another radio here from Jeff's collection. If it looks familiar, it is familiar in that about early last year, he loaned me one very similar to this. This is the Panasonic RF-562DD2. And the one he loaned to me last year was the RF-56D. And the D, which is still sold on Amazon, new, was an analog radio. And it looked almost identical, except this is a DSP version. And both of them have this signature right here, big speaker RF-562. And you have to look on back to see the DD2 or D part of the model number. Again, this is DSP. They both have AM, FM, and shortwave. Shortwave band is pretty short. It only goes from 6 megahertz to 18 megahertz. Tuning knob here, on-off volume here. Pretty long telescopic antenna which rotates and swivels. It's about 24 inches. Here is the band selector. In here is where the batteries go. Open this compartment real quick. And there you have the batteries. Big D-cell batteries. I don't believe it normally comes with this carrying strap. I could be wrong. I really don't like this carrying strap. It's plastic. It really detracts from the radio. Let me show you the bands up close. FM, medium wave, and then shortwave on the bottom. So let's try it here. Let's see what band we've got selected. We've got shortwave. Let's go to medium wave, which is the center position. Oops, there, center position. So that's medium wave or AM. Turn it on. Oh, plenty of volume. That's a little noisy. The control is a little noisy. Okay, let's go.
Way to victory. It's called the Solomon Secret. 10 keys to extraordinary success in life. Solomon's ancient book.
Tampa Bay area, the in-office consultation is free.
Pretty good sound. No tone control or anything like that.
Diseñando mejores estrategias de liderazgo y ayudando un poco más a las mujeres en esta área para que puedan avanzar.
All right, now what? As you scroll down, you start seeing the slacks, the chino.
Again, this is the DSP version.
Always give you the best
Sorry about the
trade-in value.
reflection.
They'll never lose your business over price. Locations.
Pick it up a lot of stations. A lot of noise from my computers.
To the interior of the country. Speaking in
Locks on pretty good.
clinic uses the most proof. Isn't easy. Watching your diet, hitting the gym, avoiding stress.
About halfway through the band.
Hay que ver también lo que él considera dejar billete o no.
Yeah, pretty good sound.
Bueno, ahí está. If your hand causes you to sin, cut it off. It's better for you to enter into life's names than
Plenty of
with
volume.
two hands to go into Gehenna.
Okay.
Okay, let's quickly go to the FM band and don't stop on any music. So we go to FM. I can raise the antenna. Actually, it's about 30 inches. It swivels and rotates. So we're going to go back down the band. Whoa. Okay, got to get off that music. Boy, locked it on to those stations. Oh, lots of music. We'll have to go quickly. There we go.
Okay, now this just went the wrong way.
Lots of volume.
Okay, I should have said Sunny D.
Yeah,
and
that's
then
all you
given
had to say was
the
Sunny D.
opportunity
Right,
to say,
that's right.
yeah.
Good sound.
To say something like, here's this bottle of whiskey, I hear it.
Because I find it very difficult to do. And it's entirely not.
I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a little bit of noise. Can you hear that? When you're tuning. It's like maybe the dial cord is making that noise. Get the volume turned. Whoa, lots of music.
I'm gonna talk to this customer.
With you.
That's 81330. It's beef and pork and.
So basically, Kishida was
So
the
there's
choice of
the,
party insiders in the law.
Sorry for the reflection.
Okay, now the outgoing prime.
That's the station in Tampa, and it's booming in. I kind of use that as a test because it's not that powerful a station.
Suga, the outgoing prime minister,
It's coming in
lasted less
perfect.
than a year in the job.
Okay, we can try shortwave. I don't think I'm going to receive anything. It's 7:30 in the morning, a little late. Let's go with a shortwave. I don't think I'm going to receive anything. We're on the end of the band. Starts at just below 6. Might get Spanish station down. I think that's the Preacher Man station out of Tennessee. 5.8 something. There's the Spanish station. Yep, didn't think I'd get much. See if I can get WWV on 10. Another Spanish. I think it's, yeah, there's WWV. Getting some kind of interference, of course. I can hear the ticks, but there's some kind of interference. Okay, that's good enough. If you're going to try to listen to shortwave, and shortwave conditions are just really bad right now. We're still in the mid 80s as far as the solar flux index. We want that to be above 100. But if you want to try to listen to shortwave on a radio like this with a built-in telescopic antenna, you're going to have to go outside. You're going to have to get away from all the RF noise. My office where I'm at right now is just loaded with RF noise generators. 5 or 6 computers running, routers, switches, tablets. It's a mess. So I think this radio, if conditions improve and you go outside, get away from all the RF noise, it might do a pretty good job on RF. So that's it. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. Again, this is the DSP version. Now, I don't see this version on the Amazon store. It's only got the one that I reviewed last year, which is the RF-562D, which is, I believe, the analog version of this. Everything else looks identical. It's an analog version. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Have a great day. Bye-bye.